Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at the market, S&P 500 that is SPY, and then QQQ that is Nasdaq. We'll also take a look at tech stocks, Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, and Netflix. For Meta, I already did a video on my channel, so check it out over there. Meta is in an unstoppable all-time highs. I talked about in detail over there on my channel. Now, so with that guys, please hit the like, subscribe if you find my videos valuable and helpful, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice and is purely for educational purposes, all right? Please do your own thing. I'm just sharing here my opinion, nothing more than that. So, market, shall we just keep buying it? This is going all-time highs, right? Like there is no stopping it. Let me actually start off by showing you my bot, one of my bots actually. So this is my day trading bot. You can see on SPY, looking great, right? You can see the data on the left side, a lot of green stuff, right? Net profitable, lot of green days, and I'm happy. All right. Then we have QQQ also, net profitable. There are red days as well, which there will be. It's all about being net profitable, and we are. This is Microsoft, net profitable, good green days coming as well on this. I'm just gonna pick and choose here real quick, guys. This is Amazon, looking great as well, net profitable, and a lot of green days here as well. And then Meta also net profitable, a lot of green days. And then also we have Netflix here, net profitable, a lot of green days. I mean, you can apply this on any given US stock or instrument. Again, just an educational tool. Use them at your own risk if you like, and if you want to use them, links to my tools are in the description below. I have 2 indicators and 2 bots. All right, now that being covered, let's go over now the market itself. So starting off with SPY. So guys, we are bullish, and I have been saying we are bullish, bullish, bullish. I mean, we haven't seen any structure break to the downside for quite some time now, and all these pivots I have been calling out that we are bullish. There was this call I also talked about when we were falling, and I talked about that if we lose these levels as we were losing, I talked about the short plays as well. And when we started to form these pivots, I talked about, all right, things are looking back again to the upside and we can continue higher. And through all these pullbacks, market has been just getting bought back up. Even right now, market is bullish. There is no structure to the downside and things can continue higher. At this point, well, as long as SPY stays above 550, this is a new support on this, a very good support. I'm not seeing any structure to the downside right now. SPY can just continue higher, or if we see the signs of distribution phase, we will see that. But bearishness is just not in the picture on the market. Starting off with SPY, like if market has to become bearish, we have to change the structure, and on these big ships, the structure just doesn't change overnight, not even in a week or so. Structure on SPY is very bullish right now. $550 is just a new level of support. Going to the hourly interval, guys, we are any pullback as it's coming, it's just getting bought back up. I mean, structure on this is still bullish. I can understand this is quite a vertical move, but as I said, any pull, again, you can see where the pullbacks at these levels, if you see consolidation holding, double bottoms holding, things like that. But structure until 550 is just going to constitute, if we get the pullback, just a pullback, things are still bullish, and eventually things can be bought back up at intraday levels or swing level, however you want to do it. But have a stop loss regardless on the other side of the structure. Size in, size out, build the position accordingly. Principles of the trading across the board are the same on the technicals, all right? So I'm here to educate you and teach you what you have to look for. All right, so structure on this is still bullish. 550 is a new good support on SPY. I'm not seeing any bearish structure on SPY. QQQ, similarly, we are very bullish. QQQ has a good, really structural support at 486 and 90 cents. As long as we stay above it, we are still bullish structure. Oh, guys, I mean, yeah, this thing is, how do I explain how bullish it is? I mean, if someone is telling you that, oh, this is getting to the top, it's the time to short, no. Again, you can go and do whatever you want to do, guys, but I'm not seeing any technicals on this that tells me that it's a thing to short. It's not. It's just bullish. And as I said, I mean, I have been saying in all these pullbacks, it's just a buy. Structural pullbacks are just a buy. These are the times to take partial profits and then wait for another pullback, and the level to watch for that is 486. But time to take positions, as I have been saying, are into these pullbacks, and these are the times in the extensions to take partial profits. All right, but structure all in all is still bullish on QQ. I showed you my bots as well and everything. Can't emphasize this hard enough. As long as we stay above 486 and 90 cents, structure on QQ is also still bullish. Let's take a look at Microsoft. Microsoft. Yeah, you must be getting tired of me just saying, guys, we are bullish, all right? But that's the thing, we are bullish, and I have been saying that on Microsoft as well, that we are bullish. Pullbacks are getting bought back up. Microsoft at this point, structure on this is still bullish, even if it get to the pullback of 456 and 24 cents. This will still remain bullish. And let's say for some reason, even if it loses that, we have a good support at 446. Let's say even if for some reason we loses that, Microsoft has a still good support at 430. Those will be just a pullback. Like, this thing can go months and still not become fully bearish on the overall structure. That's how bullish Microsoft is, if you're understanding what I'm saying. So market is very bullish, and these Microsoft, Apple are what takes QQQ and SPY also to new all-time highs. Apple, very bullish. Like, where do I even start? Like, I have been saying this all this time, these pullbacks are a buy with the stop loss on the other side, definitely. But structure until then is still bullish, and it has been confirming that. And take profits in the extensions for sure, a little bit partially size in, size out. But Apple structure is still bullish. As long as we're above 220, this thing can just continue higher through the pullbacks or whatnot, as long as we're above 220. Even if we break that, there's the next level of support at 211. Structure on this to become bearish is many weeks out, if it even has to come that way. But right now, market is just bullish and can continue higher. Google, yes, it's bullish. All right, Google has a good support at now 186. I've been saying as long as we're above this blue box, it's just a buy. Again, that's the time to take position. These are the time to take partial profits and then wait for the pullback, and you can try reloading with the stop loss on the other side. But Google also, structure on this will still remain very bullish for many weeks to come through the pullbacks as well. This is not going to become swing bearish unless I see that structure, and right now I'm not seeing any of that. And again, just like others, this can be weeks before we see any of that. Amazon, a little bit slowing down, but please note, structure on this is still bullish. Any pullback to 191 and 76 cents is just going to be a pullback, nothing more than that. That's just a bullish structure, and those are the times to take positions. These are the time to take partial profits. Let's go to the hourly interval a little bit. Let's take a look at there. I gave you another blue box, and I also noticed that we are a little bit getting below that trend line, but that's fine. It's failing to break below and is still trying to hold a good level up there. Trade it intraday only, I would say. Break to the either side. Structure all in all is still bullish on this thing, even if it's not breaking below that trend line. Or staying below that trend line, that's fine. You can see it's rejecting an overhead over there, but it's no way, in no fashion, it's bearish. If it loses 198 and 29 cents, some more weakness may come only intraday, but otherwise no. As long as we stay above 198 and 25 cents area, it's still just bullish. Meta, as I said, I talked about it already on my channel. You can check it out, video over here. Here it is. I don't know by the time this video will come out where it will shift in the sequence, but here's Meta, unstoppable highs. I'm talked about it. Check it out on my channel. All right, speaking of Netflix, so let's go to the daily interval first. Full on bullish still, guys. We have a new support at the level of 689 and 73 cents. As long as we stay above that, we are bullish. Even if we come down 673 and 70 cents, is just bullish. Structure all in all is very bullish. Not seeing any structure to the downside, and things can continue higher as if they want. On the intraday side, I mean, you can basically just follow this trend line around here. I would say, if this pullback happens, this is the level you are watching coincidentally, like 686 and 48 cents around. If we find a support here, we can continue higher. All right. We are still bullish on Netflix. I mean, guys, we are very bullish on the market. We can, again, yeah, structures are still holding bullish. At these important levels that I covered, you have to see as how pullback holds. There are some extensions right now we are in, take partial profits there. And when the pullback comes at these important levels, you have to see on the lower time frame if the price action holds, like double bottom consolidations. And with the stop loss on the other side, things can be reloaded. But market overall structure is very bullish. even weeks can go by and I don't see things becoming bearish. Just my opinion though, unless structure breaks, which I'll talk about if I see that breaking. And right now I'm not seeing any of that. All right. Cool. All right, guys. Well, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe. I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye. And if you need access to my tools, links on the description below of this video. All right. Bye.